Hey everyone, it's Dr. K. So evidence has shown time and time again over the past 2 decades that most passive therapies that have been promoted to ease people's pain and promote healing actually do very little for a person. In a lot of cases, they can actually even slow down your recovery. So the law of specificity tells us this. So if you're an active adult and you want to get back to doing activities you love to do with your friends and family, the last thing you should be doing is spending gross amounts of time on a table receiving passive therapies. So you need to be working with someone who takes an active exercise-based approach, because that's what's actually going to be more effective and less expensive than any passive approaches. So active care approaches both facilitate a faster recovery, they increase the tolerance for stress in your tissues, and they make you harder to break, thereby preventing occurrences of your problem down the road. It doesn't just apply to sports medicine either. They've done studies that have shown patients with diabetes, cardiovascular disease, frailty, obesity, and other neuromuscular disorders have all benefited from exercise interventions. Now, traditionally, it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 years for research to make its way down to the clinical level, which means that if you're going to a clinic that's relying on passive modalities, you're basically treating your problem with thinking from the past. Now, I don't know if that's, a clinic's line of thinking getting stuck in old ways of approaching a problem, or if it's just plain laziness on part of the clinician, or maybe it's just a way to squeeze in one extra patient and make more money within 1 hour. I don't know about you, but my time, my money, my energy are very important investments for me. And so you need to be thinking to yourself, is this worth that investment? I'm going to post a video on some of the voodoo treatments that are out there to help explain why, they're basically a waste of your time. In the meantime, do yourself a favor. If you find yourself in a clinic where passive therapies like ultrasound, laser, or even just the chiropractic adjustment seems to be the main approach to treating your problem, go find yourself another place to go. If you've been dealing with the same problem over and over again, you're having this cycle of recurring injury and you're trying the same approach over and over again, expecting a different outcome, and you're getting the same result, that's literally the definition of insanity. People are not frail, people aren't easy to break, you are stronger than you think, and your pain has the potential to improve greatly so that you can get back to the quality of life you deserve. There's a lot that you can do for yourself to fix your own problems, but when you need some additional levels of care, I hope you reach out and let me know how I can help you. So I'm celebrating your success already. Stay strong, inspire others.